If you care about the stock market even a little bit, I'm about to tell you why this week is huge. There's a lot of big economic data this week: job openings, home sales, initial jobless claims, unemployment. But there's a really big one coming out on Wednesday. And I know Wednesday's in the middle of the week, but it still means that all eyes are going to be waiting and focused on Wednesday. Here's why. This Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning, we get GDP data. That's gross domestic product. Now, last quarter, which was Q2, GDP came in at 3%. In a healthy, strong, growing economy, you want that number to go up, up, up. And the forecast this Wednesday is for 3.2. That would mean that our economy is growing and very, very strong. Yes, I know there's still inflation and other things like high rent and stuff like that, but it still largely means that the economy is growing. But let's get to the fun shit. We got a lot of earnings this week. We begin on Monday with Ford and Waste Management. By the way, this week feels like my entire portfolio is reporting earnings. On Tuesday, we have SoFi, PayPal, McDonald's, BP, Pfizer. I have Royal Caribbean is here, Crocs is down there, JetBlue, Reddit, Visa, I think this is First Solar, Chipotle, Snapchat, Alphabet, that's Google and AMD. And on Wednesday, we have Eli Lilly, Caterpillar, Humana, Etsy, Robinhood, Coinbase, Meta, that's Facebook, and Microsoft. We're not done yet because on Thursday, Uber, Peloton, MasterCard, Merck, ConocoPhillips, Altria, Sirius Radio, Norwegian, Roblox, Amazon, Intel, and the big one, Apple. And on Friday, Fubo, Chevron, Exxon, and Wayfair. And there is something that's happening that is incredibly important, happening on November 5th, which I know is not this week, but it's still coming. And it's another thing that all eyes are focusing on, and that would be the election. No, this isn't a political channel. This is stock market and finance, but I hate to break it to some of you guys out there who haven't been paying attention. They're intricately linked. Make sure you do what I did earlier in the week and vote. You guys like this blue sweater? All right, smash the follow. Thanks for watching. See you later. That wardrobe change at the end was pretty clever, huh? Putting on the blue sweater? I liked that.